The SHOT Week Supplier Showcase is the perfect opportunity for manufacturers and suppliers to connect exclusively right here at SHOT Show. No matter what types of materials you produce or manufacture, this is where you want to be, inside the Supplier Showcase. If you use or produce tools, machinery, plastics, metal extrusions, fabrics, logistics, software, or other products and services for the shooting, sports, or outdoor sporting industries, then SHOT Week Supplier Showcase is your opportunity to connect face-to-face with manufacturer owners, engineers, purchasing agents, R&D specialists, and more.
It's been a really good experience. Finally getting to talk to a lot of people we talked over the phone with for a year, and just shake their hand and have that conversation. People that we usually cold call, and it's hard. Well, this has been really well accepted, and the traffic has been amazing.
It's the first time you feel like there's an opportunity to directly interact with the people that provide, especially to us, ammunition manufacturers. So we can now go out and meet people that we haven't been able to meet before. There is, I would say, 25 people that we've been introduced to that we didn't even know were manufacturers in this industry.
We're attending SHOT Show every year. And for us, we simply attend. We do not have an exhibitor booth here on site. So something like this where we can actually dedicate the entire day and setting up information and supplier booth information for our customers and for new people, it's a great benefit to us, and the value is 100% going to pay off in the end.
It's focused around the supplier. It doesn't have all the distractions of both retail and things. It's focused on the manufacturing side of stuff. So you know the people are coming here are legitimately looking for manufacturing solutions. So that's one of the really good parts about it. So we leave here with a bunch of leads and people that need our services.